Grouping tasks in Microsoft Project allows you to organize tasks based on specific criteria, making it easier to analyze and manage large projects. Here's how to group tasks. Open Microsoft Project. Launch your project. Open the project file that contains the tasks you want to group. Go to the Gantt chart view. Access Gantt chart. Make sure you are in the Gantt chart view by selecting View Gantt chart. This is the most commonly used view for task management. Access grouping options. Navigate to grouping. Click on the View tab, and in the data group, you will see the Group by drop-down menu. This menu allows you to group tasks based on different criteria. Choose a predefined group. Select grouping criteria. From the Group by drop-down, you can select predefined options like duration, resource, completion status, create custom groups, customize grouping. If you need specific groupings, click More Groups at the bottom of the drop-down. Select New to create a custom group where you can define criteria like task priority, start date, or any custom field. Save your grouping. Save your view. Once grouped, you can save the view for future use by clicking View, Save View.